Hello, Deer Valley Online Learning students. I'm Mrs. Linda Meyer, and I am a social studies teacher with the Deer Valley Online Learning Program. And today I have just a really quick 2-minute video to show you how to export your documents from your computer to a PDF. Lots of you probably already know how to do this, but just in case you need a quick refresher, a lot of teachers require you to upload your work as PDFs, and this is a really easy way to do it. I'm actually going to show you 2 ways. So first, here's my document. You are amazing. I'm sure that's true. So you're going to go right here to File, and you're going to go to this Save As button right here, okay? I'm gonna choose my desktop because it's actually not really busy right now, and this is the important part here, all right? It's gonna ask you to save as the file type, and you wanna make sure you go here and you click on the PDF, okay? Once you get this PDF here, you're just gonna hit Save, and then on your desktop will be, as you'll see, because it's going to create the preview, your PDF of You Are Amazing, okay? So that's one way for you to create a PDF to upload to your teacher, but I have another document as well. The Deer Valley Online Learning Program rocks. I know that's true for sure because I love this place. And you're just going to, instead of saving as, in case you like it this way instead, you can go to Export, okay? And you're going to see this Create PDF piece right here, and you're going to click on that. Okay, you can put it wherever you want. Again, my desktop is not very busy right now, so I'm going to put it right on my desktop, and I'm going to also leave the title because I like it. And I'm going to hit Publish right here, and then voila, there is your other PDF. Okay, so that's 2 very easy ways for you to create a PDF on your computer. Okay, thanks guys. I appreciate you watching, and I hope that this helps.